Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, what we have right here specifically, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. The fuse box that you need is the one that's located right under the hood when you open your engine bay. On the left side, behind the car battery, guys, you're going to have a fuse box that's located right there. You open that cover, and once you open it, you will see the fuse box. It will look just like that. You will be on the front side of the car, of the truck, that will be towards the windshield side. Now, first, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. You can see, guys, how you have actually different kinds of fuses and relays, and those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere, and some of those could be really important to where your truck will not be working. So I would recommend to buy some spares, fuses and relays. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping. The fuse for the DSP, digital signal processing, guys, okay, if we come right here now in that fuse panel, okay, right here, the fuse in that row, you can see the very bottom one is known as fuse number F14, that 20 amp fuse. That's the one that we need to check specifically. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.